Nowhere near any train lines. Look at that. Little things for tying maybe animals too. Hello, here I am at Magdalene Church in Hart, in North East, and just having a look at some of the old crap. Now the church itself dates back to the 675 AD, but none of it really exists. The stuff you see there is, I think it's about 900-year-old. Still pretty old. I'm kind of interested in this because maybe this is more to do with the old church. Maybe it's just an old house, like a gatehouse. Who knows? Very old brickwork, weathered stones, really weathered. But yeah, I always think it's cool when you find old stuff still just lurking around, like the old thingies for putting the beams on. So this would have been a lot lower than where it is now. Although that gate is still in the same place. I don't know. Oh, look at that. In the garden there is some leftover bits in the distance of old-fashioned housey bits. Look at other bits we can find. Mary Magdalene. You know, remains of a door, another door, another door, another door. Lots of doors. Like the band, the Doors. Oh. World War I stuff, bit of George and the Dragon going on. 15th century font. What's the chances we can get in? Probably zero, because it's just outside Hartlepool. Not saying anything bad about Hartlepool, but there's a lot of... Anywhere where there's a town, they lock things away. That's quite cool. Little place there. The old-fashioned, the old original way into it, I'm guessing. Yeah, you walk down there. You walk down the little path. This would have been the original way in. Still. Almost a bird. The White Hart Inn in the Raby Arms. Because the most important thing's a pub. I like it around here. I've never been here to this part, but I like the old-fashioned stuff. That would be the original way to the church. $1822. Captain like his mum. Did a nice headstone for her. And some interesting ones there. Some there. There's a farmer with his horse ploughing. Look at that, it's just Jane and the son William. No other names. Ta-da! There is other names. But I doubt I'll get in, so I'll have a wander around. Zachariah and Mary Waite. Who's this? I'm guessing this would have been a vicar or something. Can't really read that. Being a vicar, you get special treatment when it comes to going to see God. There are some interesting carvings on the gravestones around here. Unusual. That's unusual to have a gravestone so close to the church, because usually they start close and work their way away. What's that? And that is, I believe, that is something to do with, there's an old settlement here, and that, I'm pretty sure it was something to do with it. can't remember where it is off the top of my head. It's on the website Ancient Monuments. It has a list of all sorts of like listed buildings and areas. A lot of them you don't even see that. They're just places of historic significance, and maybe they've been dug up and covered back over again so that people can do things in the future. I don't know what that is though. Why is there a big old fence around that? It seems to be some kind of environmental service thing, so I'm guessing an underground, maybe from a mine or something, because they do that. Because the mines have gases and things, so they put vents and things on the top. And they put stuff around them, partially to keep you away from the gases, but also to stop you vandalising them and stuff. So it says like environmental stuff there. But yeah, the ditch that runs along, I don't know if it goes further along there. There's some kind of like a historic settlement there. So maybe that's all there is to see of it. At least I've had a look. And here the little sirens going off from the security cameras. Hey, that's cool. What's that? What's that off? That little arrow thing, I've seen that before. I've seen that on a church in Salem, and it was on one of the bricks. Is that something to do with earthing from the tower? Because that looks like it's copper. Copper's a good ally to earth. Look, no, that's just stone. Can't see where it would have run off. There's the electric going in from over there. It's on here. Let's got some writing on there. Oat. So you get near the front and you get the really old stones. In memory of John Grimson, beloved husband. And this one, can't make out that one. Right, moment of truth. No, it's padlocked up, what a surprise. Can't see anything interesting on the stones. Well, anyway, there you have it. St Mary Magdalene, built in 675, but what you see now is about 800 year old at the oldest. So none of the original church from that date kind of exists. So in a way it's not really a Saxon church, it's a church that's built where a Saxon church was. It's kind of fibbing. But hey, it's cool.